Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me Honor 70 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. To make Honor 70 Lite faster, firstly you need to. You need to understand that if you have filled up your storage over the 70% full, your device is starting to slowing down. So always try to have 25-30% free of internal storage. So find the storage in settings, and here you can find how much space you have used and how much free space do you have. So if you have a lot of free space, it's okay, but if you have no, you need to free up your storage, clicking clean up button. And the second aspect you can do is from time to time, you just need to have the habit from time to time clean the RAM. Okay, cool. Then the last aspect you can do to improve smartphone performance is to open the battery in settings and enable the performance mode. Of course, in this mode your device could be leave shorter this one charging, but in this mode your smartphone will faster. And of course, if you will play games in this mode, your smartphone will overheating. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.